Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to make some spicy Naga pickle. Right, this is my ingredients here. First of all, a must is the mustard oil. I have some chopped garlic here. I have some sea salt. I have some what is this? Turmeric powder, some chili powder, some coriander powder, and this is a special mixed pickle powder. This is a blend of the saffron, some mustard seed, and obviously the nagas. Right, what we're going to do is first we're going to pour some heat on and start off with the mustard oil. Generous portion. Right, the oil's already hot, so we're going to start adding our ingredients. First of all, I am going to put the garlic in. Oh yeah, nice and hot. Give it a shake. At this moment, keep the heat low so it doesn't burn. Right, I'm going to start adding all the ingredients. So here we go, the haldi, the chili powder, coriander powder, special pickle mix, the saffron, mustard seeds, and the sea salt. I just want to get the garlic just a bit burnt, and then we're going to straight away we're going to put the naga in. There goes the naga. Bismillah. We're not going to cook it long, about 5 minutes. Best have your windows and door open. Very spicy. The vinegar. This helps to preserve the pickle. Inshallah, if everything goes well, it should last about 2 years. But knowing goes, we'll finish in about a couple of months. few more minutes and it should be done. Right, I think that's done now. What we'll do, we're going to transfer it onto a plastic container for now. Once it cools down, I will transfer it into a glass container and a jar. Okay, I have transferred it into a glass jar, and this is the end product. Mashallah, it's looking beautiful, and I'm hoping it's going to be very tasteful.